So, good day everyone. Today we will be talking about the third sector of the Harmonized National Research and Development Agenda of 2017 to 2022, which is the agriculture, aquatic, and natural resources. This is a product of multi-sectoral consultations initiated by the Philippine Council for Agriculture, Aquatic, and Natural Resources Research and Development. It aims to develop our crops, livestock, aquatic, forestry, natural resources and environment, climate change adaptation and disaster risk reduction, technology transfer, and the social, economics, and policy research. So let's talk about crops. First, it is the germplasm evaluation, conservation, utilization, and management. Second one is the varietal improvement and selection of these crops. The third one is the production of good quality seeds and planting materials. And in line with this is the development or the optimization of seed production protocols and establishment of sustainable seed system. The third one is the cultural management practices. In line with this is the soil health, nutrient and water management. Also, the developments of biofertilizers, eco-friendly pest, crop disease diagnostic kits, and organic agriculture. The fourth one is the crop production systems research. This includes the smart farming approaches, off-season production, development of climate-resilient technologies, and decision support systems. And the last one is the post-harvest processing and production development of these crops.
Aquatic. So aquatic consists of application of genomics in the study of disease of aquatic species, improving fish resistance to climate change, molecular phylogenetics, population genetics, new cultivated species for culture, development, refinement of culture system, broodstock management, hatchery, nursery, grow out, fish health, disease diagnostic and disease management, nutrition feeds and feeding system, post-harvest handling, processing, and new product development. So this is the list of its NRDA priority committees in AANR. Aquatic in crabs is mangrove crab, blue swimming crab, and shellfish, finfish, shrimp. The focus of this is to harmonize our aquatic activity, enhance aquaculture, production efficiency, sustainability, product quality, and profitability, and support the commercial and for the benefit of consumers.
Livestock is commonly defined as domesticated animals raised in agriculture setting to produce labor and commodities such as meat, eggs, milk, leather, and wool. Livestock have 7 components. First, breed development and genetic improvement. The breeding is a component of modern agriculture. Genetic is the science of heredity, which is concerned with physical and chemical properties, how the material is transmitted from one generation to next. Second, reproductive biotechniques for priority livestock species. This one is being harnessed in various aspects of livestock industry to hasten breed development for improved animals' health and welfare. The third one is nutrition, feeds, and feeding system. Animal nutrition is the science of feed preparation and feeding. How feeds should be prepared and feed to animals to produce safe food and non-food materials such as wool and leather. The fourth one, conservation and improvement of native animals. Here in Philippines, we are rich in animal biodiversity, among which is commonly termed native animals. As referred to in here, these are the breeds of domestic farm animals that are more adapted to an environmental condition of the Philippines. The fifth one, vaccine and diagnostic development. Animals' disease are a major trait of livestock. They are highly transmissible and they have potential to cause high mortality in both animal population and humans. 6. Detection of chemical, reduce and antimicrobial resistance. Then, lastly, production and management decision. Farm management, making and implement of the decision involved in organizing and operating a farm for maximum production of profit. Farm management drawn on agricultural economics for information of price, markets, agricultural policy, and economic institutions such as leasing and credit.
Forestry. The following agenda are in support of the government's Enhanced National Greening Program or ANGP. First is development and sustainable management practices. The second is development of high-yielding varieties HYVs of priority timber species with superior traits. The third is the production protocols for the propagation of quality timber and non-timber forest planting materials. The last is development of sustainable harvesting and post-harvest techniques, technologies, and marketing strategies for timber and non-timber forest species products. And that's all.
Natural resources and environment. The use and conservation of natural resources such as water, land, soil, plants, and animals affects multitude of industries from agriculture and mining, tourism, fishing, and forestry. Natural resources and environment. First, sustainable utilization, conservation and management of biodiversity in terrestrial, forestry, and marine ecosystems. Second, Sustainable watershed management and utilization. Third, management and rehabilitation of problem degraded and polluted agricultural soils through remediation. Fourth, development of high value products from agricultural and forest waste. Fifth, strategies, decision management tools for climate change resilient environment. Six, resource and ecosystem assessment and monitoring. Next is habitat management for fishery and ecosystem sustainability. Eight, marine environmental management. And the last one is innovative management system for unique landscapes and ecosystems.
And today we'll be talking about technology transfer. It is for the development of innovative and improvement of traditional extension modalities for the efficient transfer of technologies to end users, upscaling of agricultural technology transfer and commercialization. So technology transfer is given an important consideration given its role in disseminating R&D results to end users. There are two types of technologies that is being generated by the R&D agencies. Those for immediate deployment through the extension system of various institutions, and those intended for commercialization in the market. This priority area on technology transfer follows the two-pronged pathway: development of innovative and improvement of traditional extension modalities for the efficient transfer of technologies to end users, and upscaling of agricultural technology transfer and commercialization to the